In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite Streams. Whether you're a social media manager or just someone looking to keep a close eye on your social media presence, mastering the use of Hootsuite Streams can be a major game changer. First, let's begin by logging into your Hootsuite account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to create an account by visiting the Hootsuite website and following their instructions for a new user setup. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar and click on Streams. This section is essentially the heartbeat of your social media monitoring efforts, allowing you to create customized streams to view and engage with all your social content. After accessing the Stream section, it's time to create your first board. Simply click on New Board. Think of boards as dashboards that will help you organize and compartmentalize different aspects of your social media monitoring. Assign a name to your board that reflects its purpose, like brand monitoring or customer service. Naming your board right from the start makes it easier to identify and navigate later on, especially as your boards multiply. Next, you need to select the social network that this board will monitor. It could be Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or any other network you are actively managing. This ensures that the information you track is relevant and organized, making it easier to access the insights you need quickly. Once your board is named and your network is selected, click Add Stream. You have the flexibility to monitor different types of content by selecting the appropriate social profile. When you select the profile, think carefully about what matters most to your objectives. Is it your account's timeline, or maybe your own posts that need closer scrutiny? Perhaps mentions of your brand, either published or unpublished, require your attention. You could also be interested in looking at overall activity or scheduled posts. Each stream offers real-time updates, and that's where the real magic happens. As information from your selected stream types flows in, you have the ability to engage directly, whether it's liking posts, commenting, sharing, retweeting, or even replying on the go. This immediate interaction can keep your engagement levels high and responsive. For those working in teams, there's an added benefit. You can assign posts directly to team members, streamlining your workflow, and ensuring that the right person handles the right content. This functionality is particularly beneficial for larger organizations that need to manage multiple accounts effectively. So there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to harness the full power of Hootsuite Streams, keeping your social media strategy organized, efficient, and effortlessly engaging. Happy streaming!